Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make one object in your photo to be colorful, but the rest or the background is basically monochrome or black and white. So as it turns out, this color isolation technique is actually easier to do in Canva today because now we have a lot of AI features. So let me show you how you can achieve this effect in your Canva design. First, what you need to do is you have to decide what element that you want to isolate. In this example, I'm going to isolate this girl from the background. I'm going to make her colorful, but the background is going to be black and white. So what you need to do is you have to click on the image, and after that you can click edit. And on the Magic Studio, you want to click on Magic Grab. That is the feature that we are going to use. So okay, so there is this click method is basically AI trying to figure out the content or the object, the interesting objects in your picture, and then it will decide which one that you could grab or you could isolate. In this case, it selects this girl and the flower bucket, but not the flower itself. It's not perfect, so if that was the case, I encourage you to just use the brush and you have to isolate them manually. You don't have to do it perfectly, you just need to basically cover all the elements, all the area that you want to isolate, and the rest will be taken care by AI. So you don't have to do it perfectly. This is not like Photoshop. You don't have to do it precisely. It's just a rough estimate. So when you're done, you can click grab, and now AI will do its work to isolate this object from the background. And after that, we can play around with it. We can change the color, we can apply different settings, and that won't affect the background. So this process will usually take a few seconds, but the result is usually going to be just as good as when you are doing it in Photoshop. So yeah, props to Canva for adding this AI feature, and I think this is going to help a lot of people. All right, so when it is done, it will go back to your original interface, and you will see that this image is now isolated from the background. The background is here, but the image is here. We can move it around, we can put it somewhere else, but the thing is, this object is now isolated, and we can do something to this background and this image won't be affected. So I'm going to click on the background, I'm going to click edit to change the background. So you can go to filters and you can scroll down to see which effect that you want to apply. In this case, I'm going to apply a simple black and white color, just like that, and this is the result. You see, the image is still there, it's not being affected. And one final touch is, usually if you want to make the images to be easily organized, you can select all of them and then you want to group them. So it's going to make it easy to move this image around. It's going to act like one piece, but it's essentially still separate. So you can move it around, you can even resize it, and this girl and the background will adjust accordingly. So that's how you can get this effect in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful, and if that was the case, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you on the next video.